Spooky season is upon us, and literally this week is Halloween, so I wanted to make sure I got this video in before you threw your Halloween party. And if you're seeing this after Halloween, maybe this can serve as next year's inspiration, because this week we are going to be focusing on sharing some of the things that I found at my IKEA trip a couple weeks ago for their new Halloween line. We've got a couple days left, but now we got to move pretty quick on this because I think you can get some pretty good deals. Not only am I going to show you the line, but I'm also going to show you some videos of what it looked like in person and one missed opportunity that I saw in the display at IKEA. So I'm in no way sponsored by IKEA. I am just sharing this just because I thought everything was really good this year. And so if IKEA decides to sponsor or work with me, I'm your guy. Now, let's get into this video. So IKEA's Halloween line that they released is called Kustfyr. Let's go ahead and search first before I butcher this name on how to pronounce it before I embarrass myself on the internet even more than I am now. So, oh, perfect. This is their line. So Kust, boost, but with a K, fear, a Kustphere. Perfect. So this line is their Halloween line, and everything in it, like I had mentioned at my intro, is amazing. So I am very impressed by everything from blankets to pillows to candles, plates, decor, party decor, which I'm going to get into in just a second. When I saw this in person, I was really surprised at how everything looked. But there was, again, a missed opportunity there, which I'll share how I plan on maybe fixing it or what I would have done. But for now, let's go one by one on some of the things I really liked about this line. My one thing that I saw in store was this glass cat decor cover. To start off with, I am obsessed with the shape and the design of this glass piece. It's really reminiscent of almost like a Studio Ghibli drawing, but made into 3D. The reason why it stood out to me too is because it's just really cute. The glass that they use, this dark gray, is perfect. It's very chic, actually. The thing that did surprise me is that this is actually pair in the line. There is a cute little candle with the same shape and the same design, but in black. It's unscented. It comes in a really nice box. It looks like a collector's box, honestly. Like, amazing. I would get so many of these. It's so cute. But if you can cover the candle with this glass, then that would be kind of a vibe. I love that so much. If you're looking for maybe even a present, I know this is Halloween. If you have someone in your life that loves cats, then I wouldn't get it just as one present, but this is their pre-present. You can use this outside of Halloween and put it up on your shelf as decor. Look at the detail on it. It's really good. It's really well made. And right now, because it is Halloween in a couple days, there's a sale on literally almost every Kustfyr item here, now that I know how to say it. Now, going back to the rest of the items here, some of these things I'm not going to click through, but if you're trying to throw a Halloween themed party, but have it be playful and not ooky spooky, scary, all of this is perfect, honestly. Like, I would just get everything, and you just want to theme it in a way where it's very playful. IKEA is the way to go. So this cushion cover, right? It's $3.99. Amazing. You can use it outside of Halloween. The backside, yes, it's like a little bit Halloweeny because you've got the orange and the black and the white. But if you just kept it in this direction on your couch, then no one will ever know. This one I didn't see in store. I am curious, though, what material this is made out of. Let's see. It's 100% cotton because right here I feel like it kind of looked like velvet for a little bit, but okay, it's cotton. So for $3.99 for a cushion cover, I would absolutely get this for next year's Halloween. There's a few more pillows here that you can purchase. This one, not on sale. So cute though. Could be Halloween, could be not. I love that it's not really, it doesn't look super seasonal. Yes, it's a black cat. This one though, yes. This is definitely Halloween. It's kind of giving it's giving Pac-Man ghosts. So if you are looking to maybe get this out of the season, use some fabric dye and then color it different colors, red, yellow, you know. And then you have a Pac-Man inspired pillowcase. And again, if you're trying to throw a dinner party, you can get everything in this line and come up with a really, really cute tablescape. You've got a wreath, you've got your tablecloth with that spider graphic. You've got candle holders here, 2 different sizes. These are on sale. They've got hanging decor. You've got paper bags. So if you want to do giveaways, you can put all your giveaways in the little sandwich bags here. You want to start it off in the beginning of the home. You've got a doormat, a ghost doormat. You want to cut your cookies in the shape of the different graphics of your theme. $149. There you go. Pastry cutters. You can make your own cupcakes. Get these baking cups. Napkins they even have. Serving trays, mugs, bowls. This really, really, really amazing candelabra. This is probably part of their fall line, but yeah, perfect for Halloween. You've got a tea light, candle holder. Amazing. More bowls here. An orange tray, more napkin, a reusable bag, more doormats, lighting, got a dish towel. You've even got the resealable bag. So if you have extra food and you want your guests to take the food with them, resealable bag is the way to go, or grab a bunch of these for next year. So that way, when you are taking your lunch to work, you're fully themed out and decked out in an ooky spooky cat theme. You've got dish towels. So you can really, really transform your home into a really playful Halloween Kustfyr wonderland. My favorite things that they released in this line are the paper lanterns and the paper hanging decor that they have. I'm going to start off with my least favorite, but it's not really actually like least favorite. It's just I have one all-time favorite. Very first paper product I want to share is this jack-o'-lantern that they have. You can really make a statement with this lantern and have this be the backdrop for your pictures or even behind like a food table display. The next thing I want to share are these hanging black spiders. Oh my God. Perfect shape, playful. I really like how this paper texture is that creates this like really cool hourglass shape for the spider itself. So that comes in a pack of 2. It's $3.99 now. You can even put these on your wall. So if you did create a pumpkin lantern wall, then you can put these in between them so that it gives it a little bit more depth and interest. And they even have these fangs here. From this picture, it looks like a web coming out of their mouth, which is really interesting if you want to kind of show that it is maybe hanging off a web or the ceiling. So many things that you can do with this. And my favorite thing in this line is this paper hanging ghost. Look how freaking cute this is. This is 20 inches. It is pretty large. If I were to decorate with this, I would go really dramatic and go multiple different ghosts, like 10 to 20 in a room hanging in different levels, right? And then maybe dispersing some of like how it is staged here with some of like the other lanterns that IKEA has. So right now it's $7.99, 46% off, like you're saving $7, and that's pretty freaking good. When I saw this in person, I freaked out. I immediately wanted to grab this off the table, but they didn't have any more. Look how cute that is. It's huge and it really brings the drama like on your table. Sick. But when I did approach the table, the decor kind of speaks for itself, the individual pieces, but I feel like there was a missed opportunity here for how to display them because not a lot of people decorate for Halloween anymore. But I feel like if you were to give someone an example of what your house would look like during Halloween and not just display it like this, then I think people would decorate more because not everyone is really into the whole like scary part of Halloween and maybe they just want to be playful. So this is a perfect way to do that. And if it were my way, this is how I would take it. So let me go into Canva real quick. When IKEA displays are getting put together, most of the items and most of the materials that are used are from IKEA. If IKEA were to hire me this year, this is what I would have done. I would either go the striped black and white curtain that they have or a full velvet curtain as part of the backdrop. I would have gone orange, but honestly, when I did look and prep for this video, I didn't see any orange at all. if I would do it, I would layer the two different curtains together like this. Then there would be a separate wall feature. The wall would be an orange color. I'll put a circular hole in the wall to then hang one of those lanterns in there. So because I really think the main piece de resistance of this whole line is the ghost, I would put the ghost right center of this and really have that stand out and be the focal point for this display. And then on the wall, I would do a gridded pattern of all of the lanterns against this back wall. So, and just have it hang right on the wall, have it leaning right against it, put a tea light in there, really create that drama that I was saying, right? And what we'll do now on this side, we're going to put some singing spiders on here to really display those pieces, because that was the thing that was missing in person. Now, with the spiders, instead of doing a grid format like we did in the lantern wall, what I would do is I would put them on different levels and then maybe even have some of them overlap each other in the pattern, have them hang as if they were like actually climbing this curtain. And then this striped black and white almost acts as like their webbing. I know there's a tablecloth. I could have used the Kustfyr tablecloth, but I think this black and white stripe works a lot better. Then I would include some of the IKEA seating that's not part of the Kustfyr line to give people some reference on how they could design it if they were to buy other IKEA pieces. So they've got an orange and a black. So actually, no, what we'll do is we'll put the orange one on this side, and then we'll put that on a platform. Then on the other side, I would do the black version of this wire chair on another platform down here in front of the jack-o'-lanterns. And then on the chair itself, we will put this really cute kitty on the chair, just to give people some inspiration on how to use the cat pillow. I mean, it's a plush toy, but it could be used as a pillow. Oh, and then actually, I want to include a plant in here and add some greenery. So let's grab a plant. Real plant? Let's do a real plant. I do love me a real plant. And we're going to use a bird of paradise and put that right in between the wall that we're going to create and the curtain. And there you go. There you have it. So now I'm going to put this through Nano Banana and see if it'll handle what I am thinking in my brain. Wish me luck. Okay, so honestly, not bad. I added the cat candle and the ghost jar in there, and I think it really adds a lot more interest than what I saw in store. If we put that side by side to the display that they had in the store, like, not to toot my own horn or anything, but I feel like this is a lot better of a display than what they had at the Burbank store. Like, I could have added, the mugs and put them on a table and had, some of the spiders on there. But so obviously there's some requirements for the displays. You probably have to use every item in there for like the Halloween line. But if this was like at the front of the store when you first enter, I don't think you necessarily have to have everything. This is what I would have done. So hopefully you guys found some value in this video and got some inspiration on how you're going to decorate your house if you were to go to IKEA and use the Kustfyr line. If you didn't like it, then you're crazy. So I'm just going to end there, and I hope that everyone has a very, very wonderful and fun and safe Halloween this year. If you like this video or really enjoy design and would like to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that notification button down below, subscribe, and hit like, and we'll see you in the next video.